I've always been interested in Tokyo.
It's not going to be like anything you could have planned for.
You wake up and you walk outside and you're like, oh my God, I'm in Japan, like I'm in Tokyo.
Biggest city in the world. No matter where you go, there's something to do or see.
My perspectives have changed in almost every area of my life.
I think the longer I'm here, the more I'm falling in love with it. Tokyo is a very modern city, but even when you're walking down the streets, you can see the old traditions, or even in the food, there's so much history within this new modern city, which I really love about it.
It's exactly where you want to be, experiencing something very different, and you kind of just get all the experiences in one package.
One thing I was worried about before I came was being sort of alone or struggling to meet people. I think Beyond forced that to happen. I would have never have done that on my own.
What's kind of great about Beyond Academy is they become your family whilst you're here, so you get to experience the city without all of this like anxiety of feeling alone.
It made me feel safe. It gave me peace of mind that there were people that I could reach out to.
With Beyond Academy, you get this network of people who are experiencing the same things as you. You're going through the same sort of trials and tribulations, but also you get to go to all of these tourist spots as friends, which just makes the experience 100 times better.
Something I've noticed a lot within myself is the social growth I've had. With Beyond Academy's events, you go out so much, you get to try new things all the time, you're meeting people constantly. And even at the internship at work, I get to make so many connections with people. It's more than I could have expected.
Every day, catching a train into Shibuya and working in the Google Startups office. It's a very unique experience that I don't think you can really get anywhere else.
I've also learned how to network with people, not just as friends, in a business setting, which is probably the highlight of the internship every week. Getting to go places that I never would have thought of.
I'd say to anyone who's considering coming to Japan to try and spend as much time as they can here. I think if I were to do it again, I'd choose to spend longer than I have.
Doing this internship made me certain in how I want to pursue my future. Trying new things like this, it can be scary, and in those moments you kind of just have to turn off your brain and do it and then worry about everything else later.
I wouldn't do anything differently. If I had to re-choose a country, or if I was to go with Beyond Academy or with someone else, I think I'd definitely still pick Beyond Academy, and I'd definitely still go with Tokyo.
I knew it would be good before I came, but I didn't know it would be this good.